60 is greater than 2400. Well, in order to prove that, we need more information on that. So let's go get them. Amazon rainforest covers over 1 billion acres. If it was a country, it would be the 9th largest in the world. Rainforest once covered 14% of the Earth's land surface, now they merely cover 6%. It is estimated that the remaining rainforest could be consumed in less than 40 years from now. The World Wildlife Fund estimates Brazil alone held approximately 4.1 million square kilometers of Amazon forest in 1970. By 2016, it came down to 3.3 million square kilometers, which is 20% of the forest is already gone. The Brazilian government and the various international bodies began efforts to protect the forest from human encroachment, exploitation, deforestation, and other forms of destruction in the 1990s. As a result of this, the deforestation declined its pace from a roughly 0.4% per year during the 80s and 90s to roughly 0.1 to 0.2% per year between 2008 and 2016. But in spite of that, 9,320 square kilometers has been destroyed in 2020 alone, which is 40% higher than 2019 and 100% higher than 2018. Since January 2019, deforestation is constantly spiking. Why is it very important that we save Amazon now? Well, an environmental group, Panthera, stated, Amazon is essential for the functioning of the Earth. The Amazon rainforest is biologically the richest region on Earth, hosting about 25% of global biodiversity. Another study published in Journal Science stated, the drop in deforestation in the Amazon rainforest between 2004 and 2013 avoided the greenhouse gas emissions equivalent of taking all the cars off the American roads for 3 years, which is 3.2 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions. So how is it important? Spanning across 8 countries, Amazon rainforest represents over half the planet's remaining rainforests, the largest and the most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforest in the world. 390 billion individual trees of 16,000 species, 2.5 million species of insects, 2,500 species of fish, more than 1,500 species of birds, 550 species of reptiles, and with more than 500 mammal species, it is the world's richest and the most varied biological reservoir according to the World Life Conservation Society. These rainforests contain 90 to 140 billion metric tons of carbon that helps stabilize the local and the global climate. Now, this deforestation may release the significant amounts of this carbon, which could have catastrophic consequences around the world. The world emits about 40 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. The Amazon alone absorbs 2 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year, which is 5% of the annual emissions, which makes it a vital part of preventing climate change. They are the giant cooling system of the planet. All the water evaporated from Amazon forest trees absorb energy when it evaporates, cooling the planet. If we lose Amazon, we lose a crucial part of the world's life support system. Well, if the Amazon deforestation continues at this pace, what else could we lose? 137 plants, animal and insect species every single day, that is 50,000 species annually. It is known as the lungs of our planet. 20% of the world oxygen is produced in the Amazon rainforest. 1/5 of the world's fresh water is in Amazon basin. 25% of Western pharmaceuticals are derived from rainforest ingredients, but still only less than 1% of these tropical trees and plants have been tested by the scientists. European colonists have destroyed more than 90 indigenous tribes since the 1900s. Centuries of accumulated knowledge of medicinal value of rainforest species is gone. 80% of the developed world's diet originated in the tropical rainforest. Coconuts, figs, oranges, cinnamon, clove, ginger, all are gifts of Amazon to the world. 3,000 fruits are found in the rainforest. We use only 200 in the Western world. 25% of the active ingredients in today's cancer-fighting drugs come from the organisms found only in the rainforest. Now coming to the big question, if these rainforests are that important to us, then why are we destroying it? Well, vast areas of these rainforests are being destroyed for the cattle ranching, dug up for minerals, and bulldozed for towns and colonization projects. But however, statistics show that a rainforest land converted for cattle ranching yields $60 per acre. If it is used for timber harvesting, it yields $400 per acre. But if these renewable and sustainable sources are harvested, it will yield the landowner at $2,400 per acre. But still, cattle ranching and timber harvesting are destroying the Amazon forests. So, which means $60 is definitely greater than $2,400, hence proved. If we manage properly, the rainforests could provide the world's need of natural resources on perpetual basis. So what do you guys think? 60 is greater than 2,400? Let us know in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to DNA and get a notification when we post a new video by clicking on the bell icon. Until then, see you guys.